Welcome to Kubernetes in Action exercise. So in this exercise, I am going to explain how to create the Kubernetes cluster with one master and 6 minions. After that, using that master, I am going to deploy 30 address pods. Here the pods is nothing but 30 Docker containers using replication controller. After that, I'm going to create the address service for load balancing and proxy purpose. And then I'm going to, in front of your eyes, I'm going to scale up and scale down in a minute. Like I'm going to deploy 30 containers, and then I'm going to drill down everything to 0, so nothing works. And then again I'm going to step up to 15, and then I'm going to step down to 5. So it's very exciting. And next I'm going to explain how to monitor your pods using CAdvisors, which is available in every minions for health and errors. How many throughputs you're getting for every second, how many errors you are getting, and how to check your health in like duration manner, like period to period. And then I'm going to benchmark the load and performance test using bench test. How many hits we can do it, how many concurrency using you can do it, because this will help you out to get your numbers, how many parts you want to achieve your targets. Let's go in action. So this diagram is explained. So I'm going to create that cluster called Tesco demo cluster, and then it is going to contain the Tesco demo cluster master, and then it is going to have that 6 minions, which is like Tesco demo cluster node 1 to Tesco demo cluster node 6. And so I'm going to deploy as many pods like whatever we need, and then I'm going to create the services for the load balancing purpose. So next, we are going to create that Kubernetes cluster with 6 nodes using Google Cloud. Let's see in action. So here you are seeing that Ubuntu terminal, and in the root mode you can see that. So I already converted normal user to root. So now I am going to create the Google cluster. So it started cluster creation in Google Cloud. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes since it's provisioning entire cluster. In the interest of time, I'm just pausing out and then I'm going to show this the display. So I don't want to run the video for more time. So it will help us to go straightly to the target. So now you're able to see that the clusters getting created. Yeah, so we got the clusters created, and with number of nodes is 6, and then we got that the API endpoint for the master, which we can administrate that entire clusters using this endpoint. And this is the username and password, and basically you should not create the password by your own, because that so it can be hackable in any point. So better you can avoid giving the password while creating the cluster, but for demo purpose I am creating. By normally it will create automatically, and you can describe the cluster back again then you to know the password. Okay, so that's all that cluster creation. So let me verify that everything is created successfully. Yeah, so everything we are getting back, and with that things. So in this demo we are using the Debian images, which is available from the Google repository, and the name of the cluster is Disco demo cluster. So that's all. So in the next video I'm going to show the other demos. Sorry. So in the next video I'm going to explain how to access that Kubernetes API, and then what are the operations we can do with the Kubernetes API. I'm going to explain in the next video. Thank you.